I'm going to conduct a free online workshop for chemistry this coming Monday, 2026, February 2nd and February 9. It's 6 p.m. in Singapore, Hong Kong, and Manila. If you're from Seattle, that would be 2 a.m. International students are welcome, so please join if you can. We are going to cover a chapter in chemistry called atomic structure. There are some chemistry lessons from your secondary school that you need to revise. For example, this is the dot and cross diagram for sodium. From the picture, you see that the electrons are grouped 2 by 2. The space for these 2 electrons is called orbital. Why is these 2 electrons near to each other? Both of them are negative, right? They're supposed to spread out because they repel each other, because they are negatively charged. You should have asked this to your chemistry teacher last time in secondary school. We are going to cover that during the workshop. This is my Zoom link. The meeting number is 337-275-3433. We are going to use an online whiteboard called Miro. It's a good app. You can write down there. You can give your answer there. Please try to download it to your iPad or tablet if you have one. If you don't have, just use your desktop. This is the link and QR code for the online whiteboard. Please book your seat by email. This is my email address, cecilsie@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp me at this number, 65, that's the Singapore country code, 96281754. Only 1 hour. See you.